very first airplane called Fart Airlines.
Flying all rednecks together, baby.
Oh my God, is that a garage door?
Yes, it is.
Oh my.
Don't hit the tree.
Oh my God, it fit barely. Damn, Richard. Genius. Come on, get in here. Squeeze on next to me. Back that up. Floor it.
You want me to give it?
Floor it and then stop. Oh my God.
Said to give it a
Okay,
break.
what did it look like? Look at Aaron, he was not expecting that.
You said to give it.
Okay, let's, oh my God. You gave it.
You said to.
Lay on top.
You can if you want. We can get us.
Wait, could you go slow?
Yeah, I can go slow.
No, I don't know.
Someone has to drive the car. I'll do it.
He's gonna go slow. Come on, Aaron.
Yeah,
I'll just drive.
He doesn't want to. Wait, no, I don't know. I've changed my
What
mind.
do you want me to do?
I want him to I want her to film and I want you to
Do
Skirt.
not.
yeah. Yeah, but you're gonna be at a distance. Just watch the thing.
Go on.
I'm standing here, so don't
Yeah, don't hit her, please.
I'm not gonna hit her. Just stand back.
Richard's like, I'll try my best not to. Here, yeah, come on, baby. Come back.
Oh, yeah.
Where's the seatbelt?
There is none. No.
Oh my God! No, wait, don't go crazy, dude. We don't
No,
need you
I
to go
got
crazy.
you.
Please do not roll this thing.
I won't.
Like this, yeah, it's perfect. Oh my God! Richard! Oh, Richard! Oh my God! No way!
That's what you wanted, right,
Yeah,
Roger?
that was perfect.
He's a lot more than just fuzzy day.
It needs to be renovated. Yeehaw.
We are going over a hill now. I feel like he's gonna flip us on this one. Aaron's like, man, what have I got myself into?
I think about that every day.
Where's my hat? Oh, it's right there. Shout out old school hats.
Yep.
Watch out, guys. That's not as bad as I thought. Get me out.
Thank you, Lord.
Oh my God, now I know what Bill Clinton felt like with Monica Lewinsky.
This is why we have law and order in the city. God.
He sacrificed so much for this country. Didn't he, Aaron?
Yes, I did.
Low range, all you gotta do is let off the clutch. You just let out.
All right.
Really slow. I'm teaching him how to drive a manual.
He's teaching him how to ride
So,
He's riding the stick.
if you just let out of the clutch real slow.
Okay.
Don't do anything with your right foot until you're ready to hit the gas.
Okay.
But so if you want to try it, you can. Clutch in, start it. I don't trust him.
Easy.
Richard got a taste of his own driving.
You ain't kidding.
I told Kristen, I was like, you think Richard's okay? She's like, if he wasn't, he would say something. He was like a goddamn kid that just discovered something.
Scared the out of me.
Good.
Oh God, now Richard knows how we feel.
Starter?
Oh, there she goes!
Just mowing down some trees.
As a city folk, I am terrified right now.
Give it hell, Richard!
Oh, God. Oh,
Are we stuck?
No.
Huh?
Yeah, we're stuck.
I'm freaking out, Richard! Richard! No! We're stuck!
I want to go home.
We need a film for the YouTube. We're stuck right now! Kristen's like wanted me to call you guys to say to be safe because she had a really bad feeling.
No, she did.
Yes!
Oh, damn.
This is the feeling!
Tragedy has struck us today. We lost a submersible in the Tennessee waters today. Unfortunate. Let's pray for them.
Hey Aaron, what's the chances of you throwing on some swim trunks and swimming in?
I left them at his house.
He said you ain't hit me with that. I never know what's gonna happen. And you're hanging out with Double RA, Richard, Roger, and Aaron.
Tow truck inbound. Look at this dumb.
Poor Richard, dude, when he hit, I was scared.
Get her down. Look at this. He's getting it in gear.
It's that stuck, man.
You gotta get the winch. Looks like we're calling in backup.
Well, we're in a pickle. Richard got stuck really bad.
No, we're good.
Like 2 big girls and 1 skinny guy.
No.
Calling in backup. You know.
Woo! Excited to drink. I'm shaking right now. Dude, that fucking Jeep manhandled that motherfucker. Holy shit.
Looks like this airplane needs a little bit of a cleanup. It's back in OP.
Dude, that thing fucking manhandled it. That's impressive.
Nothing's built like a Wrangler.
Except Wrangler jeans. I don't know.
Only if it's like the Wrangler jeans that they use in Brokeback Mountain. Me and Aaron love that movie.
Never seen it.
Oh, we're gonna see it tonight. Hey, I don't think the wife's gonna be happy about the bud. Yeah! Woo! No way, it's smoky. Oh my God, no way.
It's called the Smoky Mountains after all. I guess it was pink. Not anymore. I'm gonna do it one more time.
Really?
No,
No.
no,
You're gonna get stuck.
no.
Yes, you
No,
are.
we're done. Matt saved the day. Oh, the smell lady.
I like to see, please. I like to see the last moments of where I'm at.
Oh, I love Richards.
You're gonna kill us.
Oh my God, your grandpa's gonna be like, what the is going on?
I thought I died almost. I
that's
can't
what.
see
So
anything.
that's that.
Well, I was forced to make this outro video because I've been postponing it for a couple of days, but thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. There should be merch soon, so my agent says. Don't know how true that is. You can also get this hat on oldschoolhats.com, but there is going to be more videos to come. Thanks for watching.